Whenever I want to cook at home, I always end up going to AB Meat Shop. Hands down, it has the best quality meat in Islamabad. Trust me, no one does it better, and I've been around. AB Meat is located in F11 Islamabad, right next to OPT and inside Sauda Sulf. So if you want to check it out yourself, you won't be disappointed with the quality of the meat. There's no such thing as a chicken steak. I prefer my chicken medium rare and without any extra sauces, or the beef steak and in its natural juices. Now, looking for the perfect steak cut, the most important feature is the freshness of the meat. Now, the freshness is crucial when it comes to raw meat. Look for a T-bone steak that has a vibrant, deep red color. It should be free from any off-putting odors, discoloration, or sliminess, as these can be signs of spoilage. So once I bring my steak home, I want to only season it with only salt and pepper. Freshly crushed peppers just brings the whole experience to another level. You can just smell the freshness of the pepper. Second feature you need to look out for is the marbling in the steak. Marbling is extremely important to cook the perfect steak. Marbling refers to the small streaks of fat within the muscle tissue. T-bone steaks often have a very good amount of marbling, which can contribute to the juiciness and flavor when cooked. Now, the thickness and the size of a T-bone steak also is very important, as thicker steaks may require longer cooking times or maybe different cooking times to achieve your desired level of doneness. The thickness has to be just right, not too thick or not too thin. If you are looking to impress, try frying the steak in fat rather than regular cooking oil. I promise you it'll taste 1,000 times better. T-bone steak in its own fat just enhances the flavor further. After ensuring a good stir on each side, add a good chunk of butter. Steak goes in the oven for 7 to 15 minutes roughly, depending on the thickness of the steak. However, I did put mine in for about 14 minutes. Now, it may seem a lot, but trust me, it was a fat piece of meat, and the bigger ones just were weighing closer to 1 kilo. You can see me slice into the warm steak, accompanied with Caesar salad, chunky chips, and a very, very cold glass of Coke. Perfect combination, according to me, a celebration meal. But the steak for me is cooked perfectly, and a medium rare steak cooked to perfection is a culinary masterpiece that boasts a harmonious blend of flavors, textures, and juiciness. The exterior of the steak is seared to a rich caramelized brown hue, which locks in the meat juices and imparts a delightful smoky aroma. As you slice into it, you'll notice a thin, well-defined crust surrounding the interior. The steak's outer layer is slightly crispy, giving way to the succulent and tender interior. Your knife should effortlessly glide through the meat without resistance, indicating its perfect doneness. The medium rare steak is characterized by its optimal juices, so when you cut into it, a small amount of reddish pink juice will be released. This will signal the ideal balance between a well-cooked exterior and a juicy interior. Now, the medium rare steaks are incredibly tender. Each bite should practically melt in your mouth, with no chewiness or toughness whatsoever. It's a true carnivore's delight and a testament to the culinary craft. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have some amazing content coming up for you guys, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So I will see you next time in my next video. Take care. Bye. 360.